My name is Ana Paula Millan. I am a Ramon y Cajal postdoctoral researcher at University of Granada, and from May 2023 I will be a research fellow at IAS. My research focuses on applying network science to understand brain dynamics. For instance, I look into the relationship between the underlying network structure and the emergent behavior or functionality of the brain. During the fellowship, my goal is to understand what new knowledge we can gain by considering high-order coupling to understand the brain dynamics. In recent years, we have made significant progress using network science to understand the behavior of complex systems like the brain. Within this paradigm, what we do is to describe these systems as sets of interconnected elements that can interact with each other through pairwise connections. However, it's becoming more and more clear that we need to go beyond this pairwise description and consider also the multi-body interactions in the data. What this means is that we need to explicitly include interactions between sets of 3, 4 or more elements, because these cannot simply be reduced to pairwise coupling. So in the fellowship, what I want to do is to apply this rationale to functional brain networks. These networks describe the functional relationships between different brain areas, and they allow us to understand brain organization better. Using this high-order coupling, what I want to know is if we can get new insight into how this structure is organized, but also into how it changes in different situations, such as performing a task, during aging, or in cases of disease.